Welcome, Ka. Today, Ka, we're gonna talk about Ka. One very special way to learn of phrases you need to know in any of the languages. So the intro you've seen is basically how they sound here. Very kind, very open, very warm. And we're gonna talk why we as language learners are gonna jump into that ASAP, as soon as possible, all right? All right, let's go get right into it. This is today's episode of Multilingual Chat. If you want to join the premium chat, doors are open. It starts on January 1st, but you can already get your seats. People in the chats are already getting their spots secured. There's a limit of 50, okay, 50 seats. All right, and it's 25 a month. All right, let's get into it. The Multilingual Chat of today is going to talk about those little words that you can learn to get really into the minds of those people that speak it. So here in Thailand, as my monolingual man and I am here, I speak 7 languages but don't know Thai. He speaks 1 language, 1.5 with Spanish, speaks a little Spanish, but he doesn't also know Thai. We both survive with around 3 phrases, which is hello, which is thank you, and it is like kind of like particles. And we're going to talk about this right now. So in every language there are some things that natives say when they don't want to use words, gestures that they make when they don't want to speak, or sounds that they make when they don't want to speak or don't want to make gestures, or even grimaces that they make when they don't want to say anything or do anything. And so I'm thinking, what do they do here? They do this, ka. So when you say hello, they say sa-wat-dee ka. When they say thank you, they say khop kun ka. So if you are from the male sex, you would say for yourself, you would say krap. You would say sa-wat-dee krap. And people here, they have a lot of this, as well as they do the bow together with 2 arms and bow down. And this is a very special. They have their own writing, their own language, as much as also their own sounds in their language and their own. This is a very special thing to be here. And with that language, they would then be able to speak to us in the rest in English, or if they don't know English, they are ready to pull out their phone and have a translation device. This is very, very special here. And a reason why they are able to have always a high tone and a high pitch and happy and a smiling voice is because they're living in constant warmth. They're living in heat right now. It is December, and back at home you need to layer up with 5 layers, but here when you step outside you feel warmer than you feel inside. So I could take my hoodie off and just embrace the rising sun and be so good. And so I want to share my favorite ways in different languages. In German it would be, if you don't understand something, it would be was? Huh? Entschuldigung? You know, these are the words that kind of are saying like, please again, can you come again? Yes, or The same thing in English. Sorry, what? Huh? Nah. Or like, even like this. This even is enough. But when it comes to Asia, other things are there, and they use a lot of or even like